Hello everyone, welcome back to An Italian in My Kitchen. I am Erica and you might notice a change in the background. That is because I have moved. I am now in Ireland and this is my new kitchen. So I'm really excited to bake with you, to cook with you in this new space that we have. And I also want to show you my view because it's an amazing view and you won't expect what you see. So I'm going to add a few clips right now. Hello. Hi. And we are back. You might hear the horses here and there while we film this video, but I hope it's a nice and relaxing sound and it makes you smile like it does make me smile most of the time. It's actually 100% of the time that it makes me smile. So moving on, today we are going to make a semifreddo tiramisu. Tiramisu is one of my favorite desserts. As you know, I call my cat Tiramisu, so it's a very important dessert for me. But today we are going to make the semifreddo version, which in Italian means partly frozen, because this is a dessert that we are going to put in the fridge. Similarly to ice cream, it is frozen, but it has a softer and more mousse-like consistency compared to ice cream and a frozen dessert. So this is going to be just as amazing as a regular tiramisu, and if you like frozen desserts, even better. So let's go make it. So this is a no-bake recipe. It's easy to make and delicious. So we're going to start by taking a medium bowl and we're going to add 1 cup of mascarpone and 2/3 cups of sweetened condensed milk. And we'll beat them together until nice and smooth. And we'll put our mascarpone mix aside. Next we're going to take a large bowl and we'll beat 1 cup of whole or whipping cream, After whipping our cream, we're going to take our mascarpone mixture again and we're going to fold that mascarpone mixture into our whipping cream. Then take an 8 to 9 inch loaf pan, I have mine right here, and we're going to line it with some plastic wrap. And make sure that it goes over the edges by about 2 to 3 inches, just like that. Then take about 3/4 cups of cold coffee. You can use espresso coffee or any leftover coffee that you have at home. And take about 21 ladyfingers. I have quite small ones compared to the regular ones that I do use. So usually I would use about 21 ladyfingers, but here I'm probably gonna use more. But yes, these are the ladyfingers. So we're going to dip our ladyfinger into the coffee. Don't keep it in for too long, and then place it into your loaf pan. Turn the ladyfinger into the coffee just once. You don't want it to soak into too much coffee because that would make the cake and the ladyfingers way too soggy. Then take your cream mix and we're going to place 1/3 of the mixture on top of our ladyfingers. And we'll keep doing the same thing for another 2 layers. And we'll finish it off by adding our last layer of whipping cream on top. And now that we're done with the last layer of whipping cream, I'm going to place it in the freezer to rest for about 5 hours or until we're ready to serve it. So I'll see you very soon. We're back. It's been more than 5 hours since I last saw you, and here we have our frozen dessert. Our tiramisu is now frozen, and we're going to take it out of the plastic, flip it so the bottom part is on top, and then we'll finish it off by dusting some cocoa powder on top of our dessert. Now we can taste test it. And here we have our slice of semifreddo tiramisu. Let's try it. I'm so excited for this. Buon appetito! That's amazing. It's exactly what a tiramisu should taste like. The only difference is that it's colder. That's it. It's so amazing. I love it. It's so easy to make. It's so delicious. It's a guaranteed success. So I hope you let me know in the comment section below what you thought of it, if you make it, and as always you'll find all the ingredients, measurements and links in the description box. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!